Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. Technical traders and the market in general are closely watching Bitcoin heading into next week, and the reason for the concern is a looming death cross. As I noted earlier in the week, Bitcoin's 50-day moving average has dropped to its closest proximity to the 200-day moving average in 9 months, and the last time it crossed below that level was in 2015, where it remained for 10 months before breaking out to the upside. Now, as you can see right here, we issued a red weekly trade triangle on Wednesday at 8,664.30. Of course, this is on the BRTI CME's Bitcoin real-time index, pushing this chart analysis score to -60, indicating that a sidelines position is in order for Bitcoin. And in fact, we'll take this week off so we can highlight the 200-day moving average. And as you can see, the blue line right here is our 50-day moving average, and the purple is our 200-day moving average. And as you can see, they're coming to a point. Now, death cross pattern occurs when the 50-day moving average drops below the 200-day moving average, and the idea is that this cross marks the spot where the shorter-term decline is turning into a longer-term downtrend. And in fact, we can use a couple other indicators as confirmation, as the MACD, the MACD as it's often called, has moved across its signal line, indicating a move lower, as well as the RSI move across the 50 to the low side, and is still sitting above the 30, which would generally indicate that it is undervalued and it's time for it to head higher. So it's definitely in that range and looking like we could be heading lower for Bitcoin. Key level to watch for Bitcoin will be 11,662.32. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating that a move back to the upside is an. We're going to keep an eye on and look at this, keep watching this 200-day moving average and 50-day moving average to see if indeed we do get that death cross either through the weekend or the early part of next week. With that, we'll move back to the regular markets and give you some levels to look at next week, and we'll start with the S&P 500. And we'll go ahead and actually change these back to our candlestick charts and get 3 months. We're going to go to the weeklies just so we can get an idea where we stand overall in the week. Currently trading at 2,755.35 with a chart analysis score of plus 55. However, closing the week down a little over 1%. Key level to watch should be 2,647.32. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a short position for the S&P 500. Dow Jones currently trading at 24,981.29 with a chart analysis score of plus 65. However, we do have green trade triangles across the board at the moment. Key level to watch is 24,217.76. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. NASDAQ currently down almost 1% on the week, trading at 7,482.20 with a chart analysis score plus 75 with green trade triangles across the board. However, that score is weakening. Key level to watch would be 7,084.83. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dollar index actually eking out a gain right now at 0.2% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 70. Currently trading at $90.22. Key level to watch, it moves up a little bit to 89.33. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for the dollar. Crude oil, we're actually going to move back to a daily here because we issued a green daily trade triangle today at 61.97, indicating an exit from a short-term short position for crude oil. It pushes the chart analysis score to plus 75, indicating that the intermediate term trend is strengthening, and we're looking for a green weekly trade triangle heading into next week. However, with the red weekly trade triangle, key level to watch would be 60.11. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for crude oil. In fact, we'll go to a weekly chart here. And a move above this level at 64.24 would give us a green weekly trade triangle. So 64.24, keep that in mind for a move to the upside. Move back to daily here. take a look at gold, issuing a new red daily trade triangle at 1,313.80, issuing a new red daily trade triangle at 1,313.80, a level I gave you earlier in the week, indicating that a short position is in order on a short-term time frame for gold. Key level to watch would be 1,330.50. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. We got one of the stocks I have in my active trades portfolio is Micron Tech, which issued a new green monthly trade triangle at 49.46 on the 5th of March. Currently has a chart analysis score of plus 100, trading at 59.89. If you're in this trade, a key level to watch would be 45.95. Move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Then we'll update Alibaba, which jumped considerably higher, up about 3.5% yesterday on news that they might get a listing on the Chinese stock index. However, the chart now scores plus 90, green trade triangles across the board, and we had gotten our entry back here at 193.40, so we're back in the money right now at 198.74 today. Key level to watch is 175.45. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. And we're looking for Alibaba to test these all-time highs around here at the 205 level. If we can break through that, it could be the sky's the limit for Alibaba, so we'll have to see. With that, every success, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.